own time. Another type of pranayama that really benefits the lungs and the lung capacity is the Ujjayi breath. Ujjayi in this case means flying up of the diaphragm. And you do that when the lungs are full and you pull the belly muscles towards the spine. That lifts the diaphragm. Normal breaths. Again, 3 rounds. You start with a complete exhalation. Pull the belly button towards the spine. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Inhale right to the very top and hold. And pull in the belly muscles and hold your breath. And let go. Normal breaths. Tuck the chin in slightly. Exhale fully. Squeeze the belly muscles. Exhale, exhale. Inhale to the very top and hold. Pull in the belly muscles. And let go. Normal breaths. One more round. Deep as possible. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Pull the belly muscles in. Inhale to the very top and hold. Pull in the belly muscles.